Hey man, Todd with Empowered Man Coaching, your career and life coach. Talking to you today from Medellin, Colombia. I'm on the Ciclovia. It's where they close the roads. People can bike and walk and run and skate, whatever they want to do. But you got the road to yourself. Want to talk to you today how you can shift out or quiet the negative chatter in your head, the limiting beliefs, the things that, tell you you're not good enough, that kind of stuff. So, 3 things. One is you want to have a truth statement about yourself. Usually it's the opposite of what the negative chatter is. But it needs to go to your core. It needs to be about, the value you have. You're worth it. You're important. I matter. I'm important. That kind of truth statement. And so that becomes a language that you can use in your head. It becomes kind of like an affirmation, but it's a truth. It's more than an affirmation. It's a truth statement. And how that's going to affect change is when you can tap into it emotionally. So the things that you do, the person you are, the abilities that you have, like I matter, I'm important, I'm worth it, you have instances in your life where that's true, where you showed up or you did something or you held space in a way that that's who I am. I absolutely know this is true. And so when you can do that, you create an emotional thread to the statement. So it's in your head and it's in your heart or it's in your body. And that is more than an affirmation. That becomes a truth. And then the way you anchor the affirmation, the truth statement, and the emotional feeling of it is you hold your body, stand up, right? Where are your feet? Where are your shoulders? Where's your chest? Where's your hands? How are you holding yourself as a man who is worth it or who matters or whatever the opposite of that limiting belief is? So it's language in your head, it's emotion or feeling in your body, and it's holding the position, moving your body in the position that embraces, encapsulates, demonstrates this energy of who you are. And when you do those 3 things, that becomes a practice. And the practice is tuning out the negative belief, tuning out the sabotaging words, language, and it will help you move forward into that thing that might be difficult, into the thing that's causing that negative chatter to start up in the first place. Oh, you can't do that. You're not good enough for that. You're nobody, or you don't have the skills or abilities for that, or who do you think you are? I mean, we all have it and it happens. But the language, the feeling, and the body posture, the anchoring is how you will then have the energy, the belief, and the confidence to move forward into that next thing you need to do, to accomplish your goals, to take on the next challenge, to meet the next thing in your life. So I hope that helps you today. Think about it. If you got some questions, DM me. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. It's a powerful practice. All right, I'm Todd with Empowered Man Coaching, your career and life coach. Hoping you guys are having a great day. Ciao.